I've been a small creator on YouTube for 6 years, and trust me, I've made every mistake you can imagine. Wrong niche, wrong uploads, wrong settings, and because of that, I lost channels, I lost views, and I lost time. But I never gave up. And if someone had told me these things in the beginning, maybe today my channel would be big. That's why I'm making this video, because now everybody wants to start a YouTube channel, but many don't know what they're doing. They just start, and after a few videos they give up. I don't want that to happen to you. In this video I'll show you how to start a YouTube channel the right way, what mistakes to avoid, and how to stop wasting time and start building your dream the smart way. This is episode 1 of a full YouTube masterclass for beginners. And believe me, if you're serious, you need to watch this till the end. When I started, I had no idea what a niche was. I uploaded music, tech, education, entertainment, even gaming, all on one single channel. It was like a YouTube buffet. But later I found out this is a huge mistake. Why? Because YouTube wants to understand what your channel is about. If you're mixing everything, YouTube gets confused. And if YouTube is confused, it will not promote your videos to the right audience. Even in monetization review, if your content is from different categories, YouTube may reject your channel. So choose one niche, just one topic, and go all in. Ask yourself, what do I love making videos about? That's your niche, stick to it. Many people ask me, should I use my old channel or start a new one? If your old channel is dead or full of random videos, start fresh. A new channel gives you a clean start, no bad impressions, no mixed content, just your new niche and a new vision. When I started, I created a channel in 5 minutes and began uploading. But I didn't know there were important settings to fix first. Your channel name, cover photo, about section, links, all these things matter because they give your channel a professional look. Also, don't forget to save your email, recovery number, password, and recovery email. One of my first channels got hacked and I couldn't get it back. That pain still hurts. So learn from my mistake, protect your channel before uploading anything. I used to upload my videos directly from the YouTube app. No tags, no description, no SEO, just upload and pray. Please don't do that. Always upload from YouTube Studio on your browser, not the app, because only on the website version you'll find all the settings you need. Title, description, tags, thumbnail, visibility, playlist, advanced options. Every one of these matters. I didn't know how to make thumbnails in the beginning. I used random images, sometimes no thumbnail at all. Even added hashtags in the video title. But your title and thumbnail are your first impression. If they're boring or confusing, nobody will click your video. And if nobody clicks, YouTube will stop showing it to people. So, what should you do? Title tips. Use the main keyword. Make it short, catchy, and emotional. No hashtags, no full sentences. Thumbnail tips. Simple, clean design. High quality image. Little or no text. No extra objects or AMS, create it yourself. This is what gets you impressions, the number of times YouTube shows your video to people. Now let's talk about something many beginners ignore: tags and keywords. Keywords are the words people search on YouTube. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use tools like YouTube search bar, ChatGPT, tag extractor, websites. Copy link of a popular video and extract its tags. Put keywords in your video description and title. Put tags in the tag section of YouTube Studio. This helps your video reach the right audience. Now here's something I did that destroyed my channel's reach. After uploading, I used to copy the link and share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, everywhere. But here's what happens. People click but don't watch fully. Some like, some subscribe, but most leave quickly. This tells YouTube people don't like this video, and YouTube stops promoting it. Instead of sharing, ask 1 to trusted people to watch fully. Or better, watch it yourself on different devices at normal speed. That's how you support your own video. Another mistake I made: uploading randomly, then deleting, then uploading again, then deleting again. This kills your channel. Make a fixed upload schedule every 7 days, 14 days, whatever you can do. But be consistent, don't delete videos, just keep going. If needed, make them private, but don't break the rhythm. In the beginning, I always compared myself with big creators. Their edits were better, their views were higher, and I felt small. But here's the truth. Every big creator was once a beginner like you. You will learn editing, scripting, and algorithms slowly. Even now, after 6 years, I'm still learning. So don't stop, don't give up. Look, I know this video is long, but I wanted to give you real, honest advice. Not just motivation, but actual steps you can follow. If you click this video, I promise you got value. And this is just episode 1. In episode 2, I'll tell you about even deeper things. Licensing mistakes, script writing, voiceover, editing tricks, and how to improve audience retention. So, if you're serious about YouTube, don't miss the next one. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will reply.